Hi class. Okay, today we're going to make a drawing based on the artist Wayne Thiebaud. And I wonder if you guys like cake. Well, I think cake is pretty delicious, and Wayne Thiebaud is an artist who liked to draw and paint cakes, cupcakes and donuts and other kinds of dessert. Okay, so today we're going to make our cake. And it's going to be kind of a fancy cake on a plate. First, let's start by writing our names on our paper. Okay, I've got my paper the horizontal way. Okay, now I'm going to turn it over. If you feel like you might mess up, you can always use your pencil first and then go over it with colors and marker later on. But I'm going to start with my marker. And if you know how to draw a cylinder, if you remember how to draw a cylinder, then you will know how to draw this cake. It's not too hard to do. I'm going to start close to the top of my paper, and this is going to be the top of my cake. If you wanted to add a little bit of decoration on the top of your cake, you'll want to leave a little bit of space so that you've got it. But I'm going to start what the top surface of my cake is. And we know that the top of the cake is round, so just like a cylinder, I'm going to add an oval. And then I decide how tall the top layer of my cake is, and I make 2 vertical lines that come down. Okay, the bottom of that layer is like the bottom of the cylinder. I need to make a line that's a little bit curved. Okay, and in this cake, it's going to have a couple more layers that come out and get bigger and bigger. So this part of the cake is going to be the smallest part of the cake. And the next layer, it's sitting on top of it. So it's like it's sitting on top of the next circle or sitting on top of the next oval in my drawing. So I start on the side and draw a curved line. And then I keep curving that line around to the other side and touch the side of that part of the cake there. Okay, so this is the top of the next layer, which means I need the sides of it coming down. And I connect the bottom of that layer with another curve. Okay, I'm going to add one more bigger layer of cake. So I'm going to start again on the side. With a curved line. Curve around and touch. Okay, this layer needs some height to it too, so I'm going to put 2 vertical lines, one on each side. And connect the bottom together with a curved line. Okay, it might be harder to make this one because it's a big curved line. Alright, now I've got a big fancy cake, and it's not going to sit just splat on the table. It's going to be on a plate so that somebody can carry it. And I'm going to make a big oval shape just like I did for these ones, because the plate is probably round too, unless you had it on something like a square plate. So I make one more curved line. And make it come all the way over, around and touch. Okay, and then since this cake is on a table, I'm going to draw 2 horizontal lines in the background to show where the edge of the table is. One all the way over to the left, and then on the other side all the way over to the right. Okay, so here's my basic cake. Now you can think about how you want to decorate it. Does it have sprinkles on it? Does it have cherries or strawberries on it? Does it have delicious drippy frosting on it? Okay, is there somebody standing here in the background waiting to eat it? Or is there something else happening in the background? Or are there other delicious treats on the table with it? You decide. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit on my drawing, and you can go ahead and decorate yours.